Hey, this is Bowden with Libra Lighting in Midvale, Idaho. This is a recent install we've done for Adams County Sheriff in Council. We've installed an interior front light bar. This is the Feniex Fusion interior light bar, red and blue, as well as Feniex Fusion surface mounts on the grill. We have a single SpeedTech split red and blue Z6 on the sides. We have Feniex Canon red blues hideaways in each of the reverse lights, as well as a Feniex Fusion 800 stick traffic advisor. We've been very impressed with these Feniex lights. They have very high output, as well as customizing your off axis and straight on visibility. Just give you a little walk around again. Alright, on the interior of the vehicle now, all the lights and siren are controlled with the Feniex Typhoon handheld siren. Customer did request to have a handheld. So we have front and rear lights controlled by those two. As well as your rear lights, you have your traffic advisor arrows left, right, and center out is both. Up top we have all of our siren tones as well as the horn in the middle, as well as the PA mic being built in. We also did install a Vertex Standard VX 5500 dual band VHF and UHF radio, and we also have the customer's e-ticket system. So we have the Dell computer on a RAM mount that is mounted to the seat brackets, as well as a barcode reader and the printer down here. This has been an install by Libra Lighting LLC in Midvale, Idaho. Give us a call, email with any questions you might have about an upcoming install or any lights you'd like to purchase. We also make custom LED scene lights. Visit our website at libralightingproducts.com. Give us a call, 208-740-7716. Thanks for watching.